Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified at every uploads. As you can see, what I have here is some fresh callaloo that came from the farm, and today we're gonna do callaloo and eggs for breakfast. So stay tuned. So guys, for this dish you'll need 2 eggs, callaloo, green and red bell peppers, purple onions, the regular onion, some garlic, and also carrots. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is just to gather the callaloo, as I already stripped the callaloo so that I can go ahead and start cutting them up. So what I'm doing right now is just put the callaloos together, so it'll be one cutting up for everything. So stay tuned guys and just pay attention. So guys, now that I finished doing my cutting up, I'm just gonna transfer the callaloo to this bowl that I have here in the sink. At this point, I am just gonna wash the callaloo with cold tap water and also some salt. So guys, after your callaloo is being washed and drained, you can have the choice of adding powder seasoning to season your callaloo, or you can do natural seasoning. In this case, I'll be adding only salt and my natural seasoning that I had displayed before. So at this point, I went ahead, I add some butter to my saucepan that is being heated, and here is my ground seasoning that I went ahead and I chopped up really finely, as you can see. And so I'm just waiting for this butter to spread all over this saucepan. Then I'll be adding the seasoning to the saucepan. So guys, since my seasoning is being sauteed in the butter, I have here about 2 pinches of salt that I'm adding as well to that, just for taste. Sauteed is now complete, so at this point I am going to transfer the callaloo to the sauteed. And now just stir the callaloo to get the seasoning and the callaloo even out. After stirring, cover and let callaloo steam for a minute. At this point, guys, since the callaloo is being steamed, I went ahead, I took both eggs and I gave them a nice wash. Then I'll be using my egg separator to separate the yolk from the white. So guys, remember to check on your callaloo to see how it's doing. Here in this other saucepan, I went ahead, I put some butter, and in this pan I'll be scrambling the eggs. So here in this bowl, I went ahead, I transfer the egg from the egg yolk separator and mix in just a pinch of salt and black pepper that I added to it. And guys, wake up to breakfast. Steamed callaloo and eggs with 1.5 slice of wheat bread, slices of tomatoes, and a cup of orange juice on the side. What more do you want? Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please turn your post notification bell on so you'll not miss any of my videos that I'll be uploading. Until then, stay tuned for more and let me know if you try this one, and please let me know the turnout. Love you guys. Stay sweet, stay blessed, and always remember to let love be that secret ingredient in all your meals.